Alright, what's up guys? It's Aaron from How To's by Bros. Today I'm going to show you how to do a backflip. So the first step to doing a backflip is don't do it on concrete. We're at Dutch Bros here just chilling, but don't do it on concrete your first time. But so for a backflip, what you're going to do is make sure you can learn it on the trampoline. Make sure you can do it on the trampoline easily with not standing still, and preferably you can do it on a mattress. Mattresses are a great way to learn a backflip. You bring your mattress outside and so for the backflip, it's just like you're doing it on a mattress or just like you're doing it on a trampoline, except you're just gonna get some more height. You're gonna try to like go straight up, flip, and then just tuck. Make sure you guys tuck because it's a lot harder on ground than on the trampoline or on a mattress. So just the basic steps. Swing your arms. Your arms are super powerful. It's super good to use your arms. So yeah, I'll show you guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe for more videos. Hit that notification button, and God bless.